Hello everyone, it is Walt here once again in this life hack series, 101 ways to feel happy on a daily basis. Sorry, I was saying be happy previously, that's what I thought it was, but it's feel happy on a daily basis. So this leads us into, I believe, where are we on now? Our 7th principle, and this one is to smell something that makes you happy. Now this one seems a little off. It's like, okay, what am I gonna smell something? Well, the olfactory system, which accounts for most of what we consider to be taste, but is actually flavor, okay? Because if you close your nose when you're tasting things, you'll realize what taste actually is, and taste is very minimal. What actually matters here is the flavor, which is mostly controlled by the olfactory system up in your nose. It just feels like it's in our mouth because our brain processes it like that. But this is not a video on perception psychology, which is what I'm explaining there, but rather kind of why this makes sense, which is also a little bit of perception psych, so yeah. Basically, when we smell something, it is the most powerful emotionally because that is the olfactory sense is processed closest to our emotional center of our brain, okay? Close to the hypothalamus, close to, the amygdala. Kind of just very close to these areas that are very in kind of our base life, in our most emotional, subconscious state of mind. That is where these get processed. So if you want to find something that is going to really remind you of happy times, find some smell or some taste, which you consider normally to be a taste, because that's still an olfactory sense, and smell that or taste that, because that is what is going to really bring back happy memories. Now this will also work for sad memories, I can tell you that that's the case. If you guys know the song about When I Taste Tequila, that song, what it's really getting at is just saying that you will remember people you have been with, people you have kind of lost with time, things you regret, if you connect that with a taste or smell, because emotionally that is very powerful. And so that's really what's going on in the song there, and you can do that to make you sad, but you can also do this to make you happy. You can also create something that will make you happy by taking it on a happy adventure with you. So if you take a new smell on a first date, or to the amusement park, or on a vacation, or whatever kind of fun thing you want to do, and you use that smell throughout the experience, you'll remember that whenever you smell that again, if it's not something you're smelling every day. So a unique smell can give you the best memories possible of a vacation or of a trip or of anything you consider special. So that's how you can create that smell. But if you just naturally have something that reminds you of your childhood or something that reminds you of a happy experience in the past, take that out and smell it, because you can bring back those happy events and make the brain kind of jump into that state of mind. Add smiling to it and it can get even better. But yeah, that's about it for our 7th principle. I'm Walt. I'll see you guys next time with our next video. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.